As we are going throughout the rest of a Friday, there is still chances for more snow as we are wrapping up the rest of today. Here's the latest data that we got coming in closer to midnight. Going to be focusing in on areas near the immediate Lake Michigan shoreline as we're getting closer to midnight early on into our Saturday morning. Thinking everybody at least will see at least a few passing snow showers, but better potential at least for some more accumulations are going to be right near the immediate Lake Michigan shoreline and then again near the straits going into the eastern upper peninsula as we are rounding out the rest of our Friday. That clipper is gone and out of here as early as your Saturday morning, and then once we're getting later into the day on Saturday, maybe you're heading out to do some skiing, traveling, maybe doing some holiday shopping, there still could be at least a few lake effect snow showers, primarily areas near the tip of the mitt, and then again going in throughout the eastern upper peninsula. South of there, about south of M55, I think you'll have a little bit more in the way of some dry hours. That's into the time frame of your Saturday afternoon, getting into Saturday evening. But past that chance, another clipper system moving in right there as we're going into the second half of our weekend. So even still, more snow chances as we're going right there. This is going to be primarily as we're going throughout our Sunday morning, and then still a little bit more lake effect even on the backside as we're going later into Sunday afternoon by the evening. So snow thoughts, at least throughout the first half of the weekend, really going to be favoring areas near, again, the Lake Michigan shoreline, the eastern upper peninsula. Once we bring the clipper in, this is into the day on Sunday, especially more of our southern zones, could even pick up on a few more inches of snow. So main takeaway with the snow, I think at least everybody will be able to see at least a few inches by now until we get into the day on Sunday. So hopefully you can find a way to enjoy the snow. And if that wasn't enough for you, even another potential system could be moving in as we're going into next week, Tuesday by Wednesday. That one also has the potential to bring us more accumulating snow and some gusty winds. We'll bring you thoughts on that as we get into early next week. We'll focus on the weekend right now. Temperatures out there right now, Cadillac holding on to some upper 20s, so it is cold enough for the snow and not going to be as cold as we go past midnight tonight. We were trending below zero the past few nights, so a touch warmer, but still chilly at best with some 20s, if not a few teens, as we get into the beginning of the weekend. Temperatures, there they are, getting into the day on Saturday. Still going to be tracking your fair share of some 20s. Eastern upper tip of the mitt with that chance for some lake effect snow, even as we're going later into the afternoon hours. South of the Mackinac Bridge, I think it's more clipper snow and maybe a few lingering snow showers, lake effect, as we go into western lower. Upper 20s, if not a few low 30s. I think we'll get at least a few more dry hours as we're going towards the sunrise side, especially later into the afternoon hours by the evening. Upper 20s, if not some low 30s here. And last but not least, into our central counties. We'll have that clipper snow moving in mainly throughout the morning hours. Could even break into a few rays of sunshine possibly as we go into the afternoon and evening for your Saturday. Still with the numbers right there back near 30. So traveling at least during the afternoon, road treatment should be a little bit better for you there. Into the next 7 days, it's a drier day Monday, David. Watching Tuesday, Wednesday for some more snow.